Have you ever wondered how artificial intelligence can understand what we say, write, or even meme? From talking to Siri or ChatGPT to translating languages on Google, AI's ability to process human language is called natural language processing, or NLP. It's the branch of AI that bridges the gap between human communication and computer understanding.
When you type or speak something, the first step for AI is tokenization, breaking your sentence into smaller pieces, like words or phrases. For example, the sentence, "AI understands language," becomes "AI understands language." Then the system analyzes how these words relate to each other using syntax and semantics, basically the grammar and the meaning of your sentence.
But AI doesn't truly think like humans. It learns patterns. Large language models, such as GPT or BERT, are trained on massive amounts of text from books, articles, and websites. By studying billions of word combinations, they learn how words usually appear together. So when you ask a question, AI predicts what words should come next to form a meaningful and relevant answer. This process is called deep learning, powered by neural networks that mimic how our brains recognize patterns.
Another key step is context understanding. When you say, "I went to the bank," the AI must decide, do you mean a river bank or a money bank? It uses context clues from surrounding words to make the right guess. The more examples it sees during training, the better it gets at understanding nuances, emotions, and even humor.
So while AI doesn't feel or think like we do, it learns from language patterns to respond intelligently. Every time you chat with an AI, translate text, or use voice assistants, you're seeing natural language processing in action, a remarkable blend of linguistics, computer science, and machine learning.
If you enjoyed learning how AI understands us, don't forget to like, subscribe, and explore more about language and technology here on Linguater.